In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Weebly domain name in just 5 minutes. Whether you're rebranding or simply want a change in your site's identity, updating your domain is a straightforward process that I'll guide you through step by step. First things first, let's open up your web browser and go to the Weebly website. You can easily find it by typing weebly.com into your address bar. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button. It's usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on that to proceed. Now, when you're prompted with the login screen, I recommend using the option to log in with Square if you have previously set up your Weebly account through Square. Click on Login with Square to ensure a seamless authentication process. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard, which is the starting point for managing your websites and domain settings. In the dashboard, locate the Overview tab. This is your control center where you can find all the relevant aspects of the site you wish to edit. Click on Overview to get started. From here, you need to navigate to the section labeled Domain. It's crucial you take this step as it houses all the necessary domain settings. Once inside the Domain section, you'll spot an option called Domains, which you should click next. This is the place where all your domain management will occur. At this point, you should be staring at your domain settings page. This is where the actual change begins. Look for the button labeled Set Up Your Domain. It's the key feature to get your new domain name up and running. Click on Set Up Your Domain and you will be taken through the modification process. Make sure you have your new domain name ready, as you'll need to input it here. Now, although the interface is intuitive, you might still want to take your time to review everything before making any final changes. Check for potential typos in your new domain name and any other details that might affect your site's accessibility. Finally, once you've updated your domain name, ensure all changes are saved and take a moment to review them once more. This quick process should reflect on your website shortly, allowing your brand new domain name to be up and running. And there you have it, the essentials of changing your Weebly domain name in just a few simple clicks. If you follow these instructions, shifting to a new domain name on Weebly shouldn't take more than a few minutes, refreshing your site's identity with minimal effort. Happy updating!